siyang subuan. Di ba kayo nabudlayan ako? Di ba, mamakoton ka daw, begong ako, sir, how will I say, groom, maari mo nang subuan ng imo nga bride? The first feeding program. Ano yung setup? Nasabi din dun eh. Ano yung naging setup ng proposal ni Charlie kay Easter?
Photoshoot?
May photoshoot na nangyari, correct? And then, kung makapalakpak doon kasama ba? Ano ba yan? Tapos, yun na ba yun? Photoshoot, then pag exactly, Miss Lidona, what happened?
The family photo shoot, and then we said, okay, take singles. And the couple went off. We went to go hide. And then he brought her to where we were hiding when he set up all the flowers and proposed.
Wow, very well said. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Kaya mo to, liwat, adaw, Ben. Tumangan ko. Sige, again. What was the exact scenario during that photo shoot?
They were putting the flowers.
The flowers are red. What else? What happened? Taking the double, single, heard that?
They were hiding in back.
Saan sila ikinasal bago ang celebration natin ngayong gabi? Say it again? Boracay. Boracay. Kailan ito nangyari?
Last March 26, 2025.
Wow! Were you there?
No, I just saw the videos.
Kinaba ng hindi man tama na mag-English, pero daw ma-challenge, na sinusubok kapag Pilipino natin, we can do it. Moving on. Started their love story during their high school days in St. Gabriel, LA. And now, how many years together silang naging mag-shota?
3 years.
No. 3 years. No. Is it correct? Hey, Chad! Charlie! You said a while ago it's not 3 years, you said 4 years, and now you're changing your answer. You said it's 3 years now.
3 years shota and 1 year engaged.
It's a lot, though. Yung pala, yun ako pala yung hindi nakaintindi, Ang usapan kasi namin kanina, sabi niya 4 na taon. 3 years shota, 1 year engaged. Uy, bakit ganon? Kinukolekta ang pera sa isang table, nire-remit sa isa. Ang lahat ng napanalunan. Naka 250 na tayo dito. How am I going to pronounce correctly the name of the bride? Kasi kung dito sa Pinas yan, Esther! She said, no, it's not Esther, but it's Easter. The question is, bakit naging Easter ang pangalan ng bride? Bakit? Natawag ka na.
Easter Sunday kasi sa akin ay nanganak.
Paano po kayo nakakasigurado? How sure you are? Pinsan mo, ito si Bayan na po. DJ, what is this song?
Quando.
Correct. And then we're gonna sing the song together. Are you ready? Music. Tell me when will you be mine?
Tell me quando.
You really sing, sir.
Banda yan, banda.
Tell me when will you be mine? Sing and dance, DJ, full speed, bring it on for Dende. Wait lang, itong tropa sa likod talaga. Itong tropa sa likod, if they want to answer, ganito sila, tataas ng kamay, pero magtuturo ng kasama. Join me here, sir! Siyempre, para makita din natin paano ba nila ginagawa yan sa What's the title of the song?
Eye of the Tiger.
Correct, exactly. You said it right, the most amazing, perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, don't you know that the pride of the Philippines is Manny Pacquiao? Yeah, boxing champ. Now you're gonna show us some boxing skills? There you go, sing! Woo! Let's go! Bring it on, Gustavo! This game is Bato, Bato, Pick. I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors. Ready, go. Bato, bato, pick. Alright. Okay. Tay. Anong pinakita mo? Lansang? Papel siya. Anong dala mo? Ano yan? Di ba lang lansang tayo ka talaga? Dahil ano lansang ah? Ha? Sir, wala kang kalaban? Ako na lang. And go and bato, pick. Ulitin natin yung draw. And bato, pick. Isa pa? Bato, pick. Isa pa? Bato, pick. Ano to? Magkapatid ba kayo? Kasi pareho lahat. You speak English too?
Yes.
What country?
Huh?
Country.
Philippines.
Philippines, but you speak English?
Yes.
What's your favorite ulam?
Pork.
Yeah, me too. Moving on. At least ang dula-dula gamay na lain-lain sila. 5, 6, 7, and go! Bato, pick! Alright, sorry, little boy. Again. What about us? The both of us? Yeah, we failed. Ang kulit ni tatay, talo ka sa akin kanina, dyan pa rin eh. Okay, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, ito sayaw ng sayaw ang kulit ni Sir Lim. And go! Bato! Sir! Siya po ang kalaban nyo. Hindi na... Siya na. Ay, hindi na pakita mo tapos iharap mo sa kanya. Grabe, style mo ito ba topic na nagkanin? Ano mga usapan yan, Sir Lim? 250. Saan mo uubusin o gagastuhin? In English.
I will spend it on my girlfriend.
Oh, mahal nito ah. I know that. Sir Lim, if you will win tonight, yeah, of course you. What do you like? Itong isa naman, nandito ka pa pala sa... Let's na. Again?
We'll enjoy with our comrades.
Okay, what will you buy with the 500,000 pesos?
Everyone singing.
Simel?
Yes, easy.
Simel?
Easy, something lights.
Correct. Apple or original?
Normal.
Yeah, that is... Okay. No. Bato! Dali, late ka ba? 6 seconds late ka ba? Pero may bato. Amo na. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Yame! Bato, tapon, pick. Yan. Bato, pick. Alright. Okay, so you got 2 points. 1 point for you. Alright, one more shot and you will win. And go. Bato, pick. Ay, ano na? Ano nangyari doon?
Good luck.
And go. Bato, pick. Draw. 7, and bato,